partly day today, huh?
Yes, sir.
Is it day right now or night?
Day.
Day? Why do you think it is day right now?
Because the light is coming.
Light is coming to India, that's why it's day today, right?
This time the America, this is the night time.
So how come there is night in one place and day in the other place? It's possible.
Sir, because there are two parts. One part is with the sunlight and one part is not with sunlight.
Okay, let's see if we can do the same. Will everybody turn around? Faster, faster, faster. Stop. What are you feeling? Okay, sit down. What were we doing?
We were rotating.
Ah, nice. We were rotating. Is there any other simple word?
Spinning.
Nice. Can you show me spinning with your finger? Nice. Can you see some connection between day and night and spinning?
The earth rotates around the sun.
When you were rotating like this, what were you rotating around?
Sun.
You were rotating around the sun. Where is the sun? Okay, now look at me. I am rotating around.
Sir, table.
I'm rotating around the table. Where is the table? Now I'm going to show you something. Have you seen this?
Yes, sir.
If I start moving the globe, what am I doing to the globe?
Rotating.
What is the other word for rotating?
Spinning.
Spinning. It is spinning around what?
It is rotating around that.
Show me that. Show me that. Lovely. What is that?
Axis.
What is axis? Come show me the axis.
Sir, it is the axis that earth move around.
Where is the axis? Ah, this is the
At the
axis.
top.
Is the axis only at the top?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. So now can you tell me, when I was rotating, I am rotating around an axis. And is that axis real?
It is an imagery
How many of you have heard the word imaginary?
which we imagine in our mind that we think.
So what is the use of saying imaginary axis?
It can't go in other directions.
Fantastic. So once you know that inside Yo-Yo sir there is an imaginary axis, if I imagine, so he will go like this. He will not go like this. Right? So I want all of you to get up and imagine your axis and turn around again. Now this time, put your finger on the head and go around. And what is the line passing through the center of your head? What kind of axis? Is it real? No, but you can imagine.
What is rotation? When all the points of an object move in a circle around its central point, it is called rotation. Take for example a top that spins around its fixed central point. The Earth too behaves like a gigantic top. It spins on an imaginary line called the axis, which passes through the center of the Earth. While the position of the Sun is fixed, the Earth rotates on its axis every 24 hours from west to east in anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, the Sun appears to be rising from the east. The shape of the Earth is like a sphere. So when it rotates, one part of it receives sunlight while the other part remains dark. The part which receives sunlight is day, and the part which does not receive light is night.
If the earth spins and rotates, why don't we fall down?
Now, we are going to do a fantastic activity. Okay? This I was doing. Would all of you like to do something yourself? That would be fun?
Yes, sir.
So now we need to do is get into groups of 5. I cannot. Okay? I won't start that. So each table has 5 roles. One person will hold the torch, one person will hold the globe, and 3 people have to be observers like scientists. I want you to observe where is it going to be night and where is it going to be day. Second, the direction of the rotation. And the third one, what is the speed of the rotation? Okay, now we will start. Now, does anyone have interesting question?
The earth direction is moving in west, east, west only or north, south?
Sir, in which speed earth?
I'm going to give each of you a piece of paper which has India written on it. I want you to stick it where India is, and I want you to look carefully which part of India will get light first and what direction should you move in. So Aryan, which part of India gets the light first?
Gujarat.
Okay. Paki, which part of India gets light first?
Arunachal Pradesh.
Very interesting. Aryan says Gujarat and Paki says Arunachal Pradesh. Now I'd like to show you a little bit of that on this big globe. Which part of the world right now has day?
Africa.
Can we see Africa there? It has day. And slowly, which part of the world? India has day. Am I rotating this in the right direction? Which part of the country gets light first? Gujarat. If I rotate it this way, which part of the country gets light first?
Arunachal Pradesh.
Have you heard that the sun always rises in the east? Is Gujarat in the east or is Arunachal in the east? So actually, the earth does not rotate like this, it rotates like this. And what is this direction called? Correct. Or anti-clockwise. And so, it is the eastern part of India, Arunachal, West Bengal, these are the parts which first get sunlight and Gujarat gets the light the last. The second thing, how fast does it rotate? Does it go really fast like this?
So very slow.
It goes, how much does it cover every day?
24 hours.
In 24 hours, it will do one rotation.
How do we know that the earth is rotating on its axis? We do not feel the earth moving minute by minute, mainly because the earth moves at a fixed speed. However, we can experience the movement of the earth through the daily cycle of day and night. When you wake up in the morning at 6 a.m. to begin the day, the sun rises from the east. As you go through the day, the position of the sun changes, and by the time it's evening, 6 p.m., the sun sets in the west. This is how we come to know that the earth is rotating. Have you noticed that while speaking to your friends and relatives during international telephone calls, your part of the world may be facing the sun, so it's daytime for you, and your friend's part of the world is not facing the sun, so it's nighttime for them.
The earth rotates at a speed of approximately 1600 kilometers per hour, which is faster than a jumbo jet.
Can I do a quiz?
Yes, sir.
Where does the sun go at night?
Sir, in west.
It goes to the west.
Sir, it doesn't go anywhere because the revolution and the rotation of the earth, it is day and night.
Excellent, excellent. Can you give him a big hand? What would happen if the earth stopped rotating?
Sir, when the earth will stop rotating, then where the sun will be, like it's in the side of India, it will stay there only, and the backward side will be, there will be only night, and in India there will only be morning.
Oh my God, absolutely correct. Give him a big hand. If it is 6 o'clock in the morning in India, what is the time exactly at the opposite end? Wow, and why is it 6 p.m.? Come up and show me on the globe.
Because it takes half round.
Excellent. So it takes half a round, and half of 24 is half of 12. So if you add 12 hours to 6 a.m., you come to 6 p.m. Well done. Big hand for her. If the earth went around twice as fast, what would happen?
Sir, day and night becoming so fast and
Excellent. Give a big hand. If the earth moved twice as fast, the day would finish sooner, the night would finish sooner, and instead of 24 hours, a full day would be only 12. Thank you very much, all of you. I hope you enjoyed your class.